Almost done. All right, my turn. Ow!
Hit the little depressing thing.
Ow! That kind of smarts. All right.
Why don't you have trigger? Well, you know what we could do is try my saw. Take the deal off. Take the bar. That's right. This is gonna be a beautiful piece.
Yeah, let's take it over to the end. Got it. This big piece.
Motherfucker, we're moving a table.
Sonya said she'd help us move for a second. Go grab her too. We can go forward, like, you want anything. You alright there?
Yeah, just trying to change direction. Ah!
Alright. Woo! Ooh, look at that.
Pretty hot looking.
This is nice looking. Now you get into your quality wood here. Look at how awesome that is.
Wow.
Look
The
at-
next piece is gonna be even crazier. Shit, these things are getting heavy as crap.
Finish strong, that's what I always say.
Right.
Alright. You say you want to run the saw? Or is somebody doing it?
I'll run it.
Okay.
I have a feeling your trigger finger's probably getting a little tired. 'Cause this...
No, I actually pin it with my thumb.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
I started with the trigger, and then once we get into a comfy little zone, I go to the thumb.
Hey, Lynn.
It's up to you. I can run it again now.
What's that?
Oh, it doesn't look like you guys cut that much at all.
Well, we did a whole other log.
Oh, this is the second log.
Yeah. Jake, this is my wife, Lindsay.
Hi, Lindsay.
Hey, Lindsay, this is Jake.
Let's go again.
Yeah.
Alright. Wait,
If
you running
either
it?
you guys want to do wedges, let me know, but I'm happy to do
feel
it.
like it's
You guys
normal.
can do all the fun jobs
Oh,
if
that's
you
your-
want. I get
that's
to
your
play with
cylinder
this
head.
thing all the time.
It's hot as fuck.
It's working.
Alright. Oh.
first half though went like fucking butter.
Oh, I probably shouldn't have pulled those wedges out.
That's
So
all right.
wait, did you guys drop this tree today?
No, we dropped it like a month
No,
ago.
this is the one Joe and I
you did
cut
two
down.
at once?
What?
When you guys did the one, you did two.
I did one.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Just one tree went all the way out
I
there.
wasn't paying
Look how
attention.
nice this is, man.
What is this?
Nice.
4 12-foot lengths?
Yeah.
All right. And you know, an extra 4 feet.
Joe, you're gonna be sore tomorrow, baby.
Man, I'm oh shit.
Oh, careful, dude.
Oh,
Pay attention.
Got it.
watch out, Buzzy. Come on. Move your poodle butt.
This motherfucker is not light.
Do you need help with that?
No, I got it. This is definitely the heaviest one.
I think the next one's gonna be worse.
Yeah.
Maybe
We're-
I'm just getting tired.
We're in the Heartwood now. We're in Heartwood country. Try not to eat it.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, you guys have insurance, right?
I don't know what would cover that. Why are you doing that?
Get the sawdust off.
That makes it cut better.
It gives it a flatter surface, yeah.
Holy shit.
Cool. So you guys are going to be working for a lot longer, huh?
Not terribly
Josh?
longer, but probably at least working another half hour and then putting wood away and all that for another half hour to 45 minutes.
Okay.
Can I have this piece? This thing looks amazing.
Yeah, it looks super awesome. Okay, cool. So are you guys going to stay for dinner or no?
You want to stay for dinner, Jake?
Sure.
Alright.
Making tacos, if that sways you one way or another. Okay, cool. So, but probably like an hour and a half is a little high. You'll
We
leave.
got a lot of time.
That'd be
I'll
safe.
just wait until I start seeing you guys coming down.
Um, you know what you could do though is ask Sonia said she'd help us carry these down.
Okay. I can
You could
help
ask her to
too.
come up. It would be really helpful to have her help move these, and we're going to be carrying them down here pretty soon.
Okay, cool. I'll get